If you have a disability and buy products or pay for services, this video is for you. Chapter 1. Buying Goods and Services. The Australian consumer law provides you with automatic consumer guarantees to make sure you get what you paid for. If you pay for a product or service and there is a problem with it, you have the right to a remedy. Consumer guarantees protect you when you buy products or services in shops, online, over the phone, or through a service provider. This includes disability services such as physical therapy, home or vehicle modifications, and wellbeing services. It makes no difference whether you paid for the product or service yourself through the NDIS or your state or territory's disability support system. Any product or service bought for personal use is covered by consumer guarantees. These consumer guarantees ensure that products are of acceptable quality, that is, they are safe, durable and without fault. Products match their description or any sample or demonstration model. Products and services are fit for any purposes that you made known to the seller. Services will be provided with due care and skill and delivered within a reasonable time. If any products or services you pay for are not up to scratch, you are entitled to a remedy. The remedy you receive depends on whether the failure is major or minor. Chapter 2. Be a smart shopper. Before you buy products or services, you can also protect yourself by being a smart shopper. Always do your research first. Compare offers, ask questions, read independent online reviews on the product or service provider, and take your time to make the right purchasing decision. It's also important to remember that there are rules for people on selling products or services to you at your front door or over the phone. They can't call or knock on your door during certain times, like on a Sunday or late at night, and you always have the right to say no or ask them to leave. If you do buy something, you have 10 business days to change your mind. If you don't want salespeople knocking on your door, put up a Do Not Knock sign. You can get these signs from the ACCC website or your local consumer protection agency. Keep the proof of purchase, such as receipts, bank statements or contracts. It's a good idea to take a photo of receipts on your phone for safekeeping. Before signing a contract, you should read it carefully. Understand what it means for you. This includes understanding what you have to do, what the business must do for you, and how and when you have to pay and when the contract ends. Never sign a contract you are not happy with or don't completely understand. Some contracts are very complex and you may need legal assistance. Sometimes products or services come with a warranty. A business might ask you if you want to pay more so that you are protected for a longer period of time. This is known as an extended warranty. If you are offered an extended warranty, always ask, what extra protection does it offer above my consumer guarantees? Consumer guarantees are often enough protection without paying extra, so always check. Chapter 3. How to complain. As a consumer, you have the right to complain if something you pay for is not what you expected. If you are not happy, speak up. Contact the business you bought the products or services from. Keep a record of your conversation or email. Most businesses will help you straight away. Minor problems with a product should get you a free repair. If the problem is major or can't be fixed, you can choose a replacement or get your money back. If you have a minor problem with a service, you can ask the business to fix the problem for free. If they do not fix it or do not fix it within a reasonable time, you can get someone else to fix it and claim the cost from the business. If there is a major failure with a service, you can cancel the contract and get some or all of your money back, depending on the circumstances. If you're not happy with the business's response, then it is your right to take matters further. Do this by contacting your state or territory consumer protection agency. If you need help doing this, ask someone you trust. Remember, it is your right to complain under the Australian consumer law. If you have further questions or wish to find more information about your consumer rights, contact your local consumer protection agency using this link.